So I'm here at the Engineering Technology Group today, looking at Nakamura's and looking at application stories. And whilst we were doing this, I was presented and prompted by Steve Brown, who I'm with this flyer where they've got the most current fantastic finance deals that they're doing. And I just said to Steve, we've got to talk about this because I think a lot of you watching will be really surprised at the cost of some of the Nakamura machines. So we're going to look at 3 machines, but we're going to talk about 4 opportunities. Steve, the AS200, now this has been a really popular seller for you, hasn't it? I mean, why has that been the case to start with?
Well, it was launched many Macs ago, probably you're talking over 12 years now. We launched this product, and I think where it was positioned in the marketplace as a twin spindle, and the price tag it held, you could purchase then at the time, a Nakamura for less than £100,000.
Well, I think I did one of my first ever videos on the AS200, probably about 10 or 12 years ago.
Yeah.
Now this is this is why I wanted to do this video, because this machine, you're talking about less than £1,200 per month for this machine, Steve, on the deck, and also there's no kind of upfront deposit with it too, because you're contributing to that.
Exactly. So we've built a finance package around basically a dealer contribution. So traditionally customers would pay down the deposit, then break out into their monthly payments. We've tried to be a little bit like dynamic and little bit more unique. So we're going to cover the deposit for the machine. Basically for the end user, it just breaks out straight into the monthly payment.
So I looked at that and I did some math again before this, and I worked out that based on an 8-hour day, 5 days a week, less than £1,200 a month works out approximately £7 less than £7 per hour. Now I know that's slightly more than you earn.
Minimum wage?
Slightly more than you earn, Steve, but that's an incredible operating cost for a machine like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we move on to the WT150, and I look at this. Okay, we've got a gantry on this machine, and that's not the deal that we're talking. But you're talking about less than £2,500 a month now. Yeah. For a machine that's got
twin spin, twin turret, and again with the price tag of each machine, the contribution from ETG as part of that finance package obviously increases to help keep those monthly costs down.
I think the point for me as we move on to the third machine is to emphasise the fact that if you're talking about less than £2,500 per month, you've got to think about what you can make out of those spindles, and I think that's really where you're then considering the return on investment. Because if you can run that machine unmanned, I talked about eight hours a day, 5 days a week, but that's a machine that could run. Oh, it runs
24/7. Yeah, we have. I don't think we have a customer with a WT150 that doesn't run it 24/7.
So to make £2,500 back, then plus your market, can't be that difficult, can it?
And and when you move on to the NTRX 300 as well, another great asset within Nakamura. And one thing that we haven't touched on is at the end of these finance deals, you've got the option to return the machine with no additional cost.
Okay, right. And this one, so this is a mill-turn, multitasking machine.
Yep.
Is this a single spindle machine or a
twin spindle?
Twin spindle machine with the multitasking head, a tool changer on the machine. Less than £4,000 per calendar month.
Yes.
And again, for a machine of this ilk, you've got to look at what you can get out of it. That's, I know your mortgage is higher than that because obviously you've got a really big house, but I mean, that's still some deal, isn't it, for a multitasking machine?
Yeah, when we started working, because we've partnered up with a bank to be able to offer these finance packages out, and when we structured the deal around our contribution, it completely changed the figures, and we just thought we don't normally sell a Nakamura on price. But once we put pen to paper and structured these deals, we felt that the opportunity was right to put it out in the market.
So you've got technology, and now you've got a deal to back it up. Talk to the Engineering Technology Group about not just the 3 machines we mentioned here, because there also is the WT300 as well.
Yes, yeah.
And that comes in at just over £3,000 a month per calendar month in repayments as well. Talk to the Engineering Technology Group. Thank you very much, Steve.
Cheers, Paul.
Short and sweet.
Yeah.